So I'm standing just outside Concord Center at Merriam's Corner. This is where some people argue that the Revolutionary War actually started, because it was here that colonial Minutemen fired in anger at the British. Prior to that, everything was a skirmish, including Lexington, Concord Bridge, Concord Center. There were situations, a couple of colonials died, but no big deal. Governor General Gage could have written it off as part of the job of going up there to get all the stores and ammunition from the colonists. But by the time the British leaving Concord came to here, the Minutemen, who were aware that colonists got killed on Lexington Green, were upset. So when they saw the British coming for them, they fired on the British in anger. And the British had to come through that. So British soldiers died here. Now we're going to go walk past Merriam's Corner up to the Bloody Angle where the Woburn militiamen were stationed. Once the British turned the corner on Merriam's Tavern and started going up the rise, beyond that tree line is the Bloody Angle. And you can see it starts to go up. Right at the top of that rise, as the British were coming around, that's where the Woburn militia saw the British coming, and they were ordered to disperse and take positions behind the stone wall. Okay, so once the British turned the corner at Merriam's Corner, and they came through that barrage of gunfire, they began to move. They went up the rise a little bit, and then when they hit the rise, they came down this road running, thinking, okay, we got away from the Minutemen. They ran, they're coming around the bend, and then the road begins to rise again, and they were in for a bit of a surprise. So this is the Bloody Angle. At the time, there was no foliage here at all. On my right side was a cornfield, wetlands. On my left, there's some stone walls further back where you can't see it. This is where the Woburn militia was dispersed along this bend. So as the British came running down the hill thinking they were safe and free to take off toward Lexington Center, they ran into a barrage of bullets here. This is, at the time, this was the biggest battle of the day until they got towards now Arlington.